Hello, my dear friends. I am Dr. Pankaj Anand. I am a senior physician and critical care specialist. And I am doing this video exclusively for my friends from the pharma industry. Actually, I have been asked by a senior executive from a pharma company to just guide you people as to what precautions you need to take while you actually go to visit the various hospitals, visit doctors, making calls, and how can you keep yourself safe while doing this. You people like us are actually on the front line of this corona epidemic. You actually, in fact, you might be even at a bigger risk because you actually are going to visit different places. And this, as we all know, this epidemic is not going anywhere. So, initial few months, 1-2 months, you people have been asked by companies to stay at home and work, but now it's time probably to resume work. So what are the precautions? What are the ways that you actually follow so that you can actually minimize the exposure? Exposure can never be zero. So let me start when you leave home. 2-3 advices. Try and wear simple clothes. Avoid ties and tight belts, rings, things which can actually carry viruses. Avoid carrying your mandatory that leather bag. You can carry your tab if you wish. Now, once you reach the hospital, the best way is before going to the clinician, you actually take an appointment. So you need not have to wait in the OPD areas, which are obviously a rich source of catching COVID. Always, I don't think I need to highlight that you need to wear a mask always, right? So you can wear a surgical mask. Some people are suggesting N95, but a surgical mask is enough if you wear it properly. Carry your hand sanitizer always. Now once you reach the doctor's waiting area, inform the doctor that you are waiting. Reach at the exact time so you don't lose that particular time in which the appointment has been made. Now, when you see the doctor, maintain the distance. Even the doctor would be maintaining a distance. Please at all cost avoid touching any surfaces. Assume that every human being you're meeting, every surface you're touching carries the virus. So, handrails, the lift buttons, either avoid them totally, or if you have to actually touch the lift button, put a paper on your hand, press it, and you can throw it in the waste paper later. Now, having reached the doctor, finish up your appointment, whatever the stimulated time you have, and once you come out, just get back home. Please do not gossip in the corridors, meet your friends, say hi, hello. Do not go around eating, drinking things. The best thing is you go out when you go from home, go full, so that you do not have to go to the canteen and get further exposure. Having made all your calls, then you come back. Remember, I'll again repeat, do not touch surfaces like tables, etc. But if you are forced to touch, then your hand sanitizer, 20 seconds of hand cleaning, you all know. And once you've done that, you come back home. Please leave your shoes outside the home itself. Try not to carry your tabs, etc. inside the home. You can put it in your car or your scooter, wherever it is, safely. Once you reach the home, go directly to the bathroom. Inform your family folks first that I am coming. So they will be keeping all the stuff ready. Remove your clothes, put them directly into the washing machine and to be washed exclusively. And then you take a proper head bath with a shampoo, etc. And then you get home. In case you have any symptoms, obviously you'll have to quarantine yourself. So we all have to take these risks. There is no other way that we can do without them. The only thing is keep caution, and trust me, with passage of time we'll get used to keeping these cautions and we'll get used to living with corona. Safe working, my dear friends. Thank you.